welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to check out for May week 3 and cash stuff for the last week of May. And when I say check out for May week 3, just discuss what happened with budgets, because I have no coins at this moment in time to count up and check out for May week 3. May week 3 budget went fine. Still haven't used diesel money, have some household, £4 left over from household. I think I have about £5 left over from groceries, but they're all in like £1 and 50p's that I'm reusing from emptying my tin. So I'm not going to stuff that into my challenges. I'm just gonna keep it until the end of May, just to see what I have left over and to use any of the change where I can in my weekly budget. So let's get counting for May week 4, because I think we have a lot to do today. I hope everybody is doing well. I hope everybody is enjoying the sunshine. It is currently Friday when I am cash stuffing this. So I am cash stuffing this about 2 days early, but that is because I've got some bonus videos to record and I'm busy over the weekend and the bank holiday. So I'm gonna get this done now. So we have for May week 4, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 93, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 94, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 455. That is what we are going to cash stuff today. I think it is the correct amount, but we shall see as we go along. Sorry to be rushing this, but I have taken a break from work because my brain is fried on this Friday because of just work and the heat. So I've taken a 20-minute break to just decompress and to cash stuff. So let's get this going. So groceries is going to get 40. Let's see, do we have a horrible 20? Again, being a note snob. Let's do that. I don't know if that's going to be enough, especially as we have a bank holiday and I want to get some burgers, some lettuce, some burger buns and stuff, but we shall see. I am on annual leave again in the upcoming week, using the public holiday to get more days annual leave, but I've got nothing planned and I may need to go one day back at work, so we shall see. So I'm going to put this to the side because that is groceries. We're going to move to the variable. So nothing in household, well, 4 in household, nothing in eating out. I've spent the spending money on McDonald's, a Big Mac recently. I might use some of the pantry money to do a shop at Marks and Spencer's, treat myself when I'm on annual leave. Hair is getting 10. So we took 10 out because I was going to get some mousse. Then I had to use it for flowers and a card and some grapes for my mum. So I will just transfer £10 from her birthday pot into her online. I think then that would mean I've got, I think there's 170 in there. So I've got about 190 in hair. So that needs to be built up. So that is everything we've stuffing for the variable binder. Now to the high priority sinking funds, which we work on every week. And South Africa is going to get 10. The way the current room I'm in is a sauna, guys, so yeah, let's just do that. South Africa is going to get a 10, so we do half of that. This is taking longer than I anticipated, but that's because I'm, spreading out the money. But we have 1,150, 70, 90, actually I'm going to do 2 tens. 200, 210, 1,210. We only need 900 more or 880 more before we've reached our goal. It just seems like a big amount. It honestly does. It does seem like a big amount. I was hoping to have this done by mid-year, but no. So Mum's house gets 10. So now Mum's house has 200, 220, 240, 260, 270. That is fine. So we're over the halfway mark of that 500 initial goal. House Renee gets 30 today. So we've got 10 back and put 40. House Renee has 2,100 and 220, 40, 60, 80, 300, 2,300. Just 200 to go. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Oh no, I've gone too far, but no, if we put 30 in, these are £10 each. So we just need, I think we could get in June. By June, I think we'll have our amount. So we shall see. Start getting some quotes in June. Yeah, I think so. But I don't know if everybody's going to be on holiday in June. So probably. Anyway, Gadgets is getting 10. So it has 1,850, 70, 90, 900. So that is the tablet, and I need £15 more for the phone. And then it's just working on cases. But yeah, so I'm very proud that this has taken me almost 2.5 years to get 1,900, but very proud that I've done it, and I managed to get the items I wanted within the price range I was looking at. So I didn't kind of blow my budget on that, which is good. So next we come to long-term binder. Nope, that's still Sinking Funds. A bit colourblind there. Okay, so this is the long-term binder. Investments is getting, it says investments is getting 40. Okay, 20, 40. So I just come here because, again, told you, very much a note snob. So just for that. Anyway, investments got 40. Now we have 20, 40, 60, 81. That is £100. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming up to nearly my next 1,000. And since I was on this financial journey, kind of, I'm going to say quest, road, I've already saved 1,000 for retirement, and I'm on my way to 2,000, not nearly as much as I need for early retirement, but every little helps. Holiday's not going to get anything. Mortgage is going to get 5. So mortgage is going to get 5. Yeah, I'm being a little bit messy today. That's fine. So in here we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 2, 4, 6. All right. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, we'll do all these in 20s. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60. So 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. 165. Did I put in a 10 instead of a 5? So it's supposed to be 120, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 165, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 65. 165. That seems correct. If it is, I do not know. It is what it is. Okay, so that is everything in the long-term binder. Now we come to, let's do Christmas. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, wait, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50. We'll do Christmas. Get this cash stuffed. Okay, let's roll 2 6-sided dice. 1 and 2 big. 2. Okay. 5 and 4. 5. And that's 4, sorry, and 5 is flip. That's fine. We will flip this. where that went. Did you guys see where that went? Oh, it went in here. Okay, disappeared. It just didn't like what I was doing. All right, let's try that again. Okay, on the floor, it is a Christmas tree. Take my word for it, it's a Christmas tree. A Christmas tree is 10. Just gonna write 10. That's just how I am, just very clumsy. Nope, that doesn't go in there. It goes in here. And yeah, it's a 10. Okay. 3 and 4. So that's 10. I think this one is the one that we accidentally were overzealous and kept marking off. This one's 3. 1 and 5. Oh, it's the whole. Oh, can I get it? No. Oh, I just don't want to show my face. Oh gosh. I'm gonna roll again. Sorry. 2. 1 and 2. After all that, I make the rules. Sorry for giving you seasickness. I think this one only has 1 left. I think it should be 15 or 20. Oh, 20. We actually do have it, so we'll put it in. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. This one then is that is done. And that saved us, should be 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So yeah, that is done. We need to put another one in there. Let's just put that there. That got 5, so we just need to mark that off. So I can colour that in off camera, and that's got 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Now, it's got a 5. Do we have a 5? No, they're all 10s, but I've got this one here. Okay. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This one, is it? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. I didn't need to write that one off, so it is what it is. I'm getting my trackers all mixed. And why I thought it was this one. This is 10. So this has got 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85. So let's just do that one like that. I think I owe that one a 5. Yep. As I said, trackers are all wrong. Okay, and then we come to the back and we are putting in 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. We are putting 70 into the completed envelope, which means we now have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We have 140 saved from completed challenges. We just put in 70. So we'll do that 50. And we'll do that 10 and that 10. This is just to track on our road to like 800, so yeah. And that is Christmas stuffed, yay. Next we come to, something's gone wrong, but whatever it may be, we'll see. Next we come to CB1 and we do 125, that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 110, 120, 130. Because 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 110, 120, 130. And I will just come here and get 2 5s. Put one here, put one there. 10 there. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Let's just count this first. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 110, 120, 125. That is correct. Okay. So we are finishing May today. Let's see how much this needs to finish May. So that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, 4, 6, 8, 30, 33, 36. That is 36. To finish that off, can we take, I've only got 2. So if we take, so we're doing 36. I can't do 40. How do we do 50 minus 36? 14, can't even do that. Ah! No, wait, I don't know what math I'm trying to do. So we're going to have to go to a little mini exchange. Let's get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do those 2 5s for a 10. Okay, I'll put this to the side. So we need 36. That's 10, 20, 30, 35, 36. Some of these 5s are looking real crusty. So we have 3 in placeholders. That's 920, 40, 60, 80, 1,120, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 1,083. We are the halfway mark now. So halfway mark, and we are in May going into June. So happy with that, the progress of that one. We're on schedule for completing that at the right time. All right, so now we do this. Change. Where's the other side of this? All right, let's see. Anything 6 and above, we re-roll. Oh, 5 and above, we re-roll. Okay, there we go. So we're going to go to the end. So we have 3 and 3, 6, 4 and 4, 8, and then 3 and 2. We started there. Okay, so we've got 4 and 4. We have 3 and 2. We have 2 and 1. Let's see how much that is. So we are 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8 again plus 5 plus 3. 35. Okay. 10, 20, 30, and 5. And we are finished May. Let's count up how much we have in Domino Debut. Okay, so let's see. So that's 750, 770, 790, 800, 810, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 905, 10, 15. 915, but it should be 924. So almost to the halfway point of what I would like in there. So yeah, 2026. I don't know why I can't speak today. Let's roll the 20-sided dice. 7. We can work with 7. We might switch out this 20-sided dice because yeah, these are my numbers. And the aim is 500 for this. 1, 2. So now we have 150, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 203. It's not too bad actually. Yeah, 203 is not too bad. I'm changing up what I'm doing in June, so stay tuned for that. I'll let you know as soon as I can. I'm going to put in 12. Do we have a 12 here? There's an 11, 13, 11 again. Yes, we do have a 12, and I'm going to put that 12 in here. This one I've been drip feeding to keep it going while I focus on the others. So that's 150, 70, 80, 90, 95, 97. 197, and it saves 600. We are nowhere near halfway, and we're coming into June, so we need to ramp that up. 20-sided dice. We are doing 17 for this. Ooh, let's see. Let's do pink for this one. 17. Do we have a 3? No. I'm running out of placeholders, so let's just come here. Let's make some change. Let's do 2 10s first. Let's do, take 4 out, put in, take 9 out, put in 10. And then we'll do 1 in here. So 1 is the 2026 sign, so we could just do that. I need to hurry up. Okay, so then it was 17. 5, 10, 16, 17. Oh, yeah, that's there. So that's that one done. Come back to that one. We are going to put in this one, and we are going to put in 14, and we're going to take out 15, and we're going to take out 1. And we're going to do that N. I think that's the wrong pink, but I'm not too sure, so anyway, it's fine. So the top, that's done, that's fine. And then we have, I'm going to put this 5 into here to give it something. I'm going to colour off this 5 here. Okay. And then this 3, we're going to come back and we're going to put 3 in here again. And then we are going to colour champagne glasses. So we can still have some of those. So there we go. Smudge that, that. Anyway, it's fine. And that is CB1 complete for this week. And then this 125, 100 is going to go into the Bridgerton binder, which we're almost completed. If you haven't checked out my bonus video, my first of 2, please do check it out. It will be out on Sunday, just coming up for me, but just gone for you guys. So yeah, please do check it out. But yeah, we completed a load of challenges in here, so we're just working on the last few. So we're going to come to the first one, which is Dearest Gentle Saver. And we are going to do 5, 10, 15, 20. We're going to complete this. 5, 10, 15, 20. 10, 20, and this should have saved us £100. That's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. That is correct. Just going to put the money here. For this one, we are going to do 15. So I'm going to put 20 in and take 5 out. I'm going to do 11 and 4. Is this the right one? Yeah. I'm going to colour this off camera. But yeah, it's only 2 more to go on this one, which is 19 in total. But we will put in 20 to round it out. So it will 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So this will save 80 in total. Wisteria Wishes. We've got a couple here. Did we cross off all of these? Yeah. Let's go here. That is 10. We can definitely do that. And let's go here. Oh, that's 10 as well. We can definitely do that. So 20 goes into Wisteria Wishes. And yep, so that one and that one. So we're going to put in 20. 10, 20. This now has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 105. It's pretty good. Collins Carriage Ride. Let's see, can we complete the round? 1, 10. How much are we getting now? Let's do another one. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 10. Oh, that's 20. We'll stop in there. We're like 1 away from, yeah, 1 away. So 10, 20. I don't know how many goes I'm going to have with that. I'm just going to stop when I feel comfortable. But so far it has saved us 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 67 pounds. Lady Societal Savings Challenge. I am going to do the save for each teacup, and I'm going to do each teacup as 5. Okay. So we are going to do 10 today. That's 1. And then we're going to do 2. Perfect. We're going to let that dry. Over here, and we're going to put in 10. So this now has 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Perfect. And we're going to scratch one off here. This is Dearest Reader, Scratch and Save from Manifest My Budget. Let's do this one here. Oh, that's such a nice scratch. Okay. Oh, wow, that's such a nice scratch. Little things in life, guys. So that's a diamond. Oh, sorry. So diamond is 10. Let's put 10 into here. Oh, we've got some money to put in the completed savings challenge section. Okay, that's all ready to use. The pre-orders start. Let's go to Wisteria Wishes. Let's go to this one. This one's going to be a 5, so we can complete this one. Nope. Oh, this is a 10. You cannot complete this one. Sorry. Let's find a 5. Can we find a 5? That's got to be 25. That's no 5 underneath there. That is 35, so that's going to be 25. Oh, I don't want to chance it anywhere. 10, that's 20. It's 25. That's got to be a 15. There's no 5 there. There's no 5 there for me. Okay. What I am going to do is I'm going to cheat. And I'm going to put some in here. I'm going to do another teacup. I'm going to do another teacup. I'm very bad colouring in. I might recover those. Yeah, so we did another teacup, which is 5. That's 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 65 in a Lady Savings Societal pages. And that then is the British Dream Binder cash stuffed. Not long to go on that one. 25 is going to go into CB2. And we're going to finish this challenge here. And give this 20. So it now has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. And that is now complete. We're going to put it into here. And then 5 is going to go into here. That's going to do the stalk, which is 5, this bit here. We'll just focus on the head of the flower. So in total for this one, you have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Almost at 100. Yeah, and that is it. I'm not going to put in a new challenge for this, just not yet. So just go back. We'll just focus on the ones that we need to complete, and then we'll add some new ones. Thank you very much for sticking with me. I really, really appreciate it. Have a fantastic upcoming week, and I hope you all enjoy the sunshine wherever you are, if you do have it. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.